Hello, welcome to Academic School. Do you find it challenging to design assignments that actually engage your students while they also build their skills step by step? If yes, we have the perfect solution for you. Introducing the multi-step assignment tool. It's a game changer for creating dynamic, engaging and structured assignments tailored exactly to your students' need. To access this excellent tool, you have to click on this tool named multi-step assignment. Once you click on it, you have to select the year level. So my students are in 8th grade, okay? What about the content type? Here you have to write whether they have to write the assignment in a storytelling way, convincing or persuasive way, right? Or it has to be in a procedural way, or maybe in a textbook page format, article format, etc. So I want them to write, in a persuasive way, right? Then what about the text length? Should be of 2 pages, yes. Topic is gender equality, all right, from social science. Additional criteria for the content? Yes, I want them to also talk about the policies and framework Indian government has introduced for gender equality, right? And they are from CBSE board, so I'll add that deal too. That is it. Now I've clicked on generate, and within seconds we will get our multi-step assignment ready for our students that make learning interactive, impactful, and of course memorable, right? And in 3, 2, 1, we will have it on our screen. Yay! And here we are. I hope you're able to see. It has given us in detail. Yes, it has given the introduction, the importance of gender equality, current issues of, gender equality, Indian government policies, and what more can be done. Isn't it just too fantastic, right? So try our multi-step assignment tool today at Academic School and revolutionize how you create assignments, right? So happy teaching and happy learning.